Okay, back in the building. Definitely gonna look at some charts today and talk about the market. I am live, gentlemen. So I'm waiting for waiting right now for the people to actually come in. Mason, what's going on? I appreciate you. No, I appreciate you too, Mason Johnson. Thanks for coming in the live stream, Mason. What's going on, Vinter? Guys, do you hear me clear? Is the audio good? Okay, thanks. Today's a Friday, so let's see how this chat room is going to pan out. What's going on, Annette? Thanks a lot. So right now I'm just waiting for a couple of people to come in. Let me go through some charts real quick. See what's going on. Basically, things are looking kind of weak. All right, so there's a couple people in the chat room, so let's get this thing started because I don't know how long everyone else gonna take. So if you are new to the channel, my name is Big Ben. I'm a professional trader, professional investor, and I basically specialize in reading the charts. That's what I do. This is how I make my money. I trade full time, and I search for different patterns in the chart. I search for trends, and I'm helping my subscribers do the same, so they can actually make money by reading the charts. So lately, I wouldn't say lately, but in March, I actually saw that the market was turning bearish. So I told my subscribers, hey man, listen, right now the market is bearish. So now I'm doing these live streams to tell you guys, hey man, there's another way to actually make money, because trust me, I get a lot of emails saying my account is down 50%, 60%, 70%. So there's another way to make money, and that's that's to the downside. So the way things are looking, I think that Bitcoin will continue to go down. So if you are suffering right now, you can actually change that around. This is June, so you have 6 more months to flip things around, and I'm here to show you another way. The good thing about life is you can actually press the reset button. So let's go to the chat room, see what's going on here. Middle way, what's going on, Rec? What's going on, Rec? Middle way. So Middle way said, hey Ben, watching you from work on my 15-minute break. What time you get off, Middle way? What time you get off? MG, what's going on, man? Middle way's on a. Oh, you getting out? Okay, you getting off at 11 p.m. I hear you, man. I hear you. Hey, man, you gotta pay the bills, so I hear you, man. So, guys, right now, people was basically saying, hey, triple bottom here. And if you look at this chart, I know a couple of crypto YouTubers was saying that they was looking to buy right here, right? And I told you guys yesterday, we went over, what is it, we went over the 5 signs of a rookie investor, and one of the signs is basically calling every pullback the bottom. And if you look at this, the market made one green bar, and all of a sudden people is calling this a bottom. So don't make that rookie mistake. Don't think that every little turn and twist in a market, especially a bear market, you don't want to try to time the bottom, because you will become broke. And right now, the way things are looking, it looks like this bar right here is going to get wiped out. And once this bar right here get wiped out, there's a possibility that we will hit those lows that I was actually talking about, which is around here, 59 and 6,000. So this is why I call this a bear market. Every time you see any type of up move, it gets erased and it disappears. The sellers come right back in. So you have to understand, when you're looking at this stuff, that when you're on in a bear market, you have to say, you know what? How can I make money in this? So let's go to the chat room and see what's going on. Middleweight, tell me when you're about to leave, middleweight. First look, first time here. Thanks a lot, first look. $45, what's up? What's up going on? What's going on, Leslie? Glenn, what's going on? So first look, are you familiar with making money both ways in the market? Since you are new to my channel, are you familiar with that? So Rajo said I can see 52 or 4,800 mark. Definitely. Ahmad, what's going on? What's up, Ben? Back for some more knowledge. I know, I hear you, man. Pablo, Ben, what's going on, Pablo? Mason, and Tron right now. Is it too late to get out? It's never too late to get out. You can always get out. Oh, a crypto movie is coming out next year. So PP said, do you think we will see a big dump this Sunday? I'm selling today for another dip. So I was thinking about that. I was thinking about we might have another red weekend. This weekend might be another red weekend. It might start tomorrow. So we might get another dump tomorrow. This weekend. We'll see. So first look says, to be honest, I had invested in TRX. I'm just holding. So first look, that you just hold in TRX. That's the only coin that you have. Okay, so Bigger says, Ben, I'm 6 months mostly a holder. Now looking to day trade. I have a bag of Ethan and that I started 200. Now is 130. Would you advise me playing with that or buying in again to learn? What do you mean by playing with that, Bigger? What do you mean by playing with that? XRP a good investment, John? John, are you new to my channel? Jason, you buying a dip? What dip are you buying, Jason? $6 months holding, bag ether. Would you advise me to play with that? By I still don't understand. Bigger flipping that. What do you mean what you flipping? What are you flipping? So you said I went heavy in TRX in '02 in 2 cents. So first look, if you went heavy in 2 cents, and if you actually followed my my channel, I told most of my subscribers, of course I'm not giving you financial advice, this is entertainment only, but I told most of my subscribers it's probably best to actually take profits before that news hit, and most people didn't. So now you're holding at 2 cents and it's pulling back, so most likely it can actually come right back to your 2 cents. So this is why I always tell people take profits, don't fall in love, because especially in the bear market, you haven't, you have profits, but you're looking at your profit. This is why I always talk about the buy and hold strategy and why it makes people lazy. The buy and hold strategy makes people lazy because they don't have a system in place. They just buy and wait. When you have a system in place, you can always make money because you know when to take profits, you know how to buy the pullbacks, you know when when it's a bear market. Buy and hold people. The people that's buy and hold, they don't know nothing. This is why I said you have to get out of that mindset. And we talked about this yesterday. The five signs of a rookie investor. You don't want to be that guy that just buy and hold. That's a outdated strategy, and it works, but what it does, it makes you lazy. It doesn't make you a student of the market, and it's hard to master your craft once you just buy and hold. So let's go back to the charts and let's see what's going on in the chat room. So John says sort of new. Okay. So somebody asked me about XRP. Well, someone said, is XRP a good investment? Well, XRP is number what is it? Number 3. So any of these most likely top 10 coins, top 20 coins is probably a good investment. But right now it doesn't matter what's good and what's not good, because the market is going down. So what I tell my subscribers, hey man, instead of being depressed right now, you can actually make money. And BTC, it's just looking weak. We have this nice red bar right here we created today, and most likely it looks like probably going to squeeze out the people that went long. We'll see. We'll see this weekend. So Bigger says, should I sell my bag at a loss, then day trade and recoup my loss on the hold. Well, of course, I can't give you financial advice, but at the same time, that's not a bad thing to do. Unless it all depends on how much you're dealing, like how much money are you, is that the only money that you have to invest? That's the question, bigger. If that's the only money you have to invest, then I can understand you doing that because you don't want to tie up your money. I definitely can understand that part. But if that's not the only, if you have more money to invest, then you probably most likely you could probably stick with your coin. In my opinion, of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. Trevor said taking profits is extremely important, of course. So Leslie said I took profits on Tron. I did pretty good. See, Leslie, Savage. Yeah, yeah, Savage is definitely a subscriber of mine. I know Savage. So yeah, see, Savage is a one of my subscribers, and basically he knew that I always preach take profits, and he said he did pretty good because Tron was shooting up. While Bitcoin was going down, Tron was the only one pretty much going up. So I said I knew eventually Tron was actually going to come back and start to follow Bitcoin. So you have to be careful. Make sure you take your profits because most likely it's going to follow Bitcoin and start going down. So we've actually found resistance right here, and then after that it was just selling, nothing but selling. So what's going on in the chat? So middle way, he said, sadly, I have to get going. I definitely have to. I'm gonna definitely watch that episode after work. Thanks again for your priceless wisdom. No problem, middle way. No problem. I definitely don't want you to get in trouble at your job. So I see you later, middle way. So first look says, Ben, in your opinion, how long this bear market is going to last? That's a good question, first look. So let's go to the BTC, because remember, BTC is the guy, is the main person, is the main coin. So BTC, I think we have a first stop to 44, and then if they're not finished selling, we can drop down to like 3,000 somewhere around 3,000. So how long that can take? Anywhere, from what is it, a year or two? Because I'm basing everything on what happened last year. So let's go back to that coin. Last year, Bitcoin. Let me show you something. Not last year, I'm sorry. The last bear market was in 2013. Okay, so this is the bear market right here, 2013. So this bear market was in 2013 in November, and it started to go up 2015 in November. So that's a 2-year, it was in a bear market for 2 years. And a lot of people don't want to accept the fact that it's a possibility that can actually happen again. Because the bears, like I said, they don't play. They do not play, and they here to take your money. So my thing, I tell people is if it's going to be another 2 to 3 years, why wait that long? You can actually make money now. You can make money now. PJ says so many sleeping giants. I definitely agree with you, PJ. Definitely agree with you. Leslie said rookie. You said what happened to Litecoin? Been very quiet. Shoot, everything is quiet. So Massimo, what's going on? How you doing? You said how I'm doing. I'm doing pretty good. You're not late. I started not too long ago. So this is what most people do, right? They go to the news and they start to read articles. And then you have a news like this that says crypto market rebounds, you know, and you go to the chart and you see something else. So that's why I don't follow the news at all. The news is a distraction. And guys, you have to understand that the news is not there to help you. So where market rebounds, what do you see a rebound? This one candle right here. And then I go on YouTube, I look at CNBC, and they talking about Bitcoin bottoming, and they said it could be poised for a breakout. So this is what's going on in the news. They talking about breakouts and all this stuff, but every time Bitcoin tries to go up, sellers come back in. So this is why I tell you guys, you have to like make sure you study the market. We went over the 5 signs of a rookie investor. Number 4, rookies don't study. What they do is listen to the news, and they don't try to study the market. You have to understand, news is a business. News is a business. So their job is to actually make you happy, so you can actually come back for more and continue to click on these articles, continue to watch these videos. That's what the news is there for, you know. So you have to understand, they make money by you coming to their site over and over and over. So they have to do things that make, you know, to get you happy, so you can actually keep coming. And they will say anything for clicks. So they are not, their job is not to help you. You go to the news, you read and you listen to the news, and they will basically make you lose money because the market is not rebounding. So when we got here, people was calling this a triple bottom. Now when we got here, people was calling this a triple bottom. So how many times you gonna call a triple bottom? Because the way this looks like, it looks like, you know, we might continue to go back down. And even though we do pop up, we have resistance right here. So how many times are you going to try to call a bottom? That's why I don't listen to the news. And it's best to master your craft, learn how to read the charts. Because once you master the craft, you don't need the news. You don't need CNBC. You don't need none of these guys. Because like I said before, these guys are not here to help you. And if you know about these big news companies, they are controlled by the rich. And I talked about the rich before. The rich is basically there to take your money. They will lie to you with a straight face, and they don't care about you. So let's see what's going on in the chat room. Exactly, Javi. Javi said news are owned by the Wells. Exactly. Romeo, news owned by the rich. Exactly. So some of you guys get, are getting what I'm trying to say. So basically, you have to understand that these guys work together. So while they saying, yo, this is the bottom, they saying that so they can take your money. We are in a bear market. Every time the market tried to go up, guess what? It goes right back down. We went up again, tried to hit 10,000, went right back down. Yesterday, they called this a bottom. I saw a couple of YouTubers said, I'm gonna risk some money and buy this because if it goes up, I can make a lot of money. And today, if you see this red bar, that it doesn't look good for any buyers right now. It doesn't look good at all. So that's why it's very good to master your craft, understand the charts, understand what's going on. So let's see what's going on in the chat room. Jarvis said you nailed it. Thanks a lot, man. Listen to Ben, guys. He's right. Dom says screw the media. For real, man. For real. So while most of these people, while most people are losing money right now, I just made 15 grand off this down move right here that I told my subscribers about. So let's hit that cha-ching button. Where's that cha-ching button? So there's money to be made. There's money to be made. Just don't think one way, just don't think one way. Don't think there's, the only way to make money is when the market's going down. I mean, when the market's going up. Okay, so Ralph said, I almost bought more today, and then I thought about what Ben said. Oh, man. He said he told me not to listen to the news. I stayed away. That's funny. Bigger said that baby letting you sleep. A little something. What coins are you short in this market? Bitcoin, right? I just shorted Bitcoin recently. News just spread FUD propaganda. Swing trading right now, Ben. For real? Leslie, you swing trading? Ralph said, learn a lot from Ben. Always on the channel I watch. Thanks a lot, Ralph. You should short the more volume in. News suck. Of course news suck, man. Ridiculous. Like, how can you learn from news? News never made me money. I don't know. You can't learn from news. If you have you ever noticed when good news come out, sometimes nothing happened with the crypto, and then or sometimes when good news comes out, things will sell off. That's why I can't really rely on news. Like, why things are selling off, and is it supposed to be good news? Leslie said, "I need some money, Ben." I hear you, man. We all trying to get this ching ching, man. So some guys basically asked me about my course, about the discount. So if you definitely don't have this, check it out. Right now it's $210. I usually give a 50% discount. So whoever on this stream want to learn about how to make money in this market, definitely check out this course. It will show you how to make money when the market's going up and down. So if the market's turning bullish, you can make money. If the market's going down, you can make money. It's recession proof. It's the only crypto product on the market, just like that. So check it out. I just gave you a 50% discount. I will put the link in the description. Support the channel. And basically, when I made this 15 grand right here, when the market was going down, I use the same patterns that I talk about in this course. So if you want to make money now and learn how to make money now, definitely check that out. I'll put the link in the course so you guys could get that out. Somebody asked me about it. So let's go back to the charts. So Trevor said TA all the way, no problem. Yep, all day. TA all day. So I just put the link in the description. So you said I sold at 7-1 after we broke out of the flag. You talking about on in Bitcoin? You talking about? Flag. So you was holding Bitcoin, DJ Pooh? Hey Ben, this hodling is killing me. I had to learn how to swing trade. I know, I hear you. I hear you, man. I hear you. That's why you can actually make money when the market's going down. Okay, DJ Pooh. So if you sold, that means that, are you looking to make money when the market's going down, DJ Pooh? Because DJ Pooh, you can actually make money when the market's going down. Massimo is killing me big time. What's killing you? The holding? Trevor says, keep laughing when you say DJ Pooh. Yeah, I know, Massimo. I know the holding is crazy. DJ Pooh, listen. Are you new to my channel, DJ Pooh? Because you talking about you looking to buy back. Are you new to my channel? Because right now, buying is kind of suspect. So if you're not new to my channel, then you know buying is kind of suspect right now. What price you trying to buy at? So Raphael says, hi, I'm new. Hey, how you doing, Raphael? So Raphael, if you're new, then are you familiar with making money both ways? in the market. Javi said, now the move now is the more stupid thing to do right now. So DJ Pooh said, you're trying to buy at 4,800. So why do you think that's the bottom, DJ Pooh? And guys, right? This is. And DJ Pooh, forgive me for this, but I'm gonna make you an example right now. And this is how most people think, right? DJ Pooh said he sold out his Bitcoin at 7,100, right? And he's going to try to buy at 4,800. So listen to what DJ Pooh said. He sold his Bitcoin at 7,100 and he's trying to buy at 4,800. Now, if you was on my live stream yesterday, we talked about the 5 signs of a rookie investor. And one of that sign is buy and hold. Now, most rookie investors only know how to buy and hold because they have been brainwashed to think that buy and hold is the only way to go. So DJ Pooh, the way he's talking, it sounds like he only know how to buy. That's it, buy. And if DJ Pooh was basically, if he was a professional, right? Because think about it, DJ Pooh, you are leaving a lot of money on the table if you're talking about you waiting for 4,800. So think about it. If while you're waiting for 4,800, why are you not selling until it gets to 4,800? You know how much money you can actually make. So when it broke out of that bear flag that you said you sold 7,100, you could have shorted the market and go and wait for the market to go all the way down to 4,800, and you can sell. You know how much money that is, DJ Pooh? And this is what I'm trying to tell my subscribers to think differently, you know, because the reason why they are rich is because they do things different, you know, and they don't think like you know, like most people. So you can make money while the market is going down to 4,800, but you just want to wait until it hits 4,800. Do you see a problem with that, DJ Pooh? And the other problem is you waiting for it to go to 4,800, and when it hits the 4,800, you don't know that's the bottom. And I talked about this yesterday. I'm glad I talked about this yesterday. The 5 signs of a rookie rookie investor, right? Rookie investor is trying to call everything a bottom. So if it hits 4,800, how you know that's the bottom? You don't know that. You don't know if you buy at 4,800, this thing can go down to 3,000, or even go down even further. So why would you even make yourself depressed like that? That's why it's very good to learn how to read the charts. And that's why I try to give people a chance. That's why I give you a 50% discount on a live stream. Give people a chance because I can sell this easily for $300 to $400. But I'm giving people a chance to learn how to read the market and learn how to make money while the market is going up or down. It's recession proof. So most people are depressed right now while I just made 15 grand while the market is going down. Okay, so let's go back to the so DJ Pool, you said I'm on Binance, so I can't short. DJ Pool, you don't have to short on Binance. You could short on BitMEX or JaffX.com. And when you get this course, DJ Pool, everything's in there, step by step. So let's go to the So Java said having that position at 7,100, you should have short ASAP. Exactly. If you felt like you was gonna lose money, you could have reversed and made money to the downside. You're right, Massimo. The rich have a different mindset. Of course, that's why they're rich. That's why they are rich. Right now, I live in Florida, and I live in a decent neighborhood, and I go to the gym and I play basketball. So I meet a lot of millionaires. So I have a lot of millionaires friends, and these guys, they think differently, man. They think different. So it's like when you're dealing with them, it's like you can see why most people are poor, because they are on a different level. They are on a different level. You can see why most people are poor. Like, whoa, you know what I'm saying? So you have to, in order to become rich, you have to think like the rich. You think the rich right now is looking back and seeing a portfolio go down? No, the rich is selling right now. So why would you just sit back and just only buy? If the rich buys and sell, then in my opinion, you should be doing the same thing, because they are rich for a reason. So let me go to the chat room real quick. What's going on? So you said, is BitMEX easy to sign in? I don't know, because I'm from the United States. Massimo, I don't know. I don't know if it's easy to sign in. I have JaffX.com. That's easy to sign in. So Don says, which exchange? JaffX.com, Don, or BitMEX? Either one. So 45 said, people, just got Ben's course a few days ago. Now I'm learning how to reprogram my brain, making money in a bear market. I'm practicing in a demo account and studying. Thanks a lot, 45. Thanks for supporting the channel. And that's what 45 says something very important. He said, I'm now learning how to reprogram my brain. Because most people don't think that they are. Most people don't think they have been brainwashed. Most people don't think they have been brainwashed. They think that, this is how life is supposed to be. They can't change it. This is how it is. Most people don't think they have been brainwashed. And what 45 said, he said something very powerful. He said he's learning how to reprogram his brain. Because in order to become rich and successful, you can't use the same information that you have right now in your brain. You have to change the information. You have to change your habits. You have to change your thinking in order to get to another level. It's impossible to get to the next level with the same type of thinking. So 45, I'm glad that you have an open mind. So Carlos Benz just bought your course. Been following you for a while. Thanks a lot, Carlos. Thanks a lot, Carlos. So Carlos basically took advantage of this 50% discount, and it's going away after the stream is going off. So, you know, it's up to you if you want to take advantage. So let's go back to the chat. So 45 says, in a week or two, I will start applying these new skills to get that money. Of course, 45. Let me hit the money bell real quick. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me hit that Little John too. Yeah. Get this money. Let me hit that one more time. Yeah. Because most people are depressed right now. And me and my subscribers, we are here making money. Because we have a different mindset. Let me read these comments. So Moex. Okay, so guys, listen to this. What's going on, Moex? I didn't see you. So Moex is a person that bought my course, right? He bought my course maybe a couple of days ago. He said, "What's up, Big Ben? Shorted BTC and XRP today, up over 10% first trade." This is a person that took action, educated himself. He bought my course, and he took his first trade today, and he's up 10%. And basically, what I'm doing is giving you 10 years of experience. And this is a guy that basically has been following me. He bought my course, took action, and he's up 10% on his first trade. Congratulations, Moex. Matter of fact, let me hit that. Let me hit that ching ching for you, Moex. Let me hit that money button. GG. Hit that money button all day. Yeah. So me and my subscribers making money, right, in the bear market, while most people are depressed. So Don said, bought your course, following you for a while. Keep up the good work. Thanks a lot, Don. Thanks for the support. Appreciate it. You don't know. I definitely appreciate it, man. I definitely appreciate it, Don. Now, Don, it's time to study and make that bread. So PP said, when is gold short means? When is a gold short means? What do you mean? Oh, what shorten means? It just means selling. That's it. Shorten means you're selling the market. So Javi said, you got to have a wider and open mind than a mainstream narrow mind. Exactly, Javi. Moex said, I love making money in a red market. Of course. All day, man. So Annette says, I'm on Binance, so I have to transfer my money on Binance. Yeah, you can do that, yeah. Any ideas? Coinbase does not have cash out on no Annette, you can use Bitcoin to fund your account. Annette, you can use Bitcoin to fund your account, so you don't have to cash out. And thanks for the support, Annette. Exactly, Javi. Financial freedom is priceless. Exactly. I mean, it's priceless, man. It's just when you work for yourself, it's like one of the best feelings in the world, because you don't have to deal with a stupid boss that's telling you to do this and do that. It's the best feeling in the world. today after I finished trading, I was trading earlier because if you are new to my channel, I day trade the futures market. I was finished early. I finished early today. I think around maybe 10:30, around 10:30, 10:40. And after that, I took my daughter, outside for a walk. And after that, I went to the store with her. I had to get a new phone. So you can't really put a price on that. And this is all because I know how to read the charts. So let me go back to the chat room. Yeah. Yup, Dom. All day. Leslie said, hey Ben, I'm going to master these bear markets. Yes, man. I believe you. Leslie, I believe you. I definitely believe you, man. If you are determined, like you said, I believe you. Because that's all it takes. That's all it takes, man. So Killswitch said, I just bought your course right now, bro. I hope it will change my life. As he said, as I'm not that smart with trading. Killswitch, you don't have to be smart. I only have a high school degree. I didn't go to college. Only went to a technical school for 1 year. I studied automotive for 1 year because at that time I was fixing cars. So you don't have to be smart. I barely graduated from high school. Let's look at the chat room. Javai, there's a problem there. Exactly, Javai. So Massimo says, my problem is if I sell all my positions now, I will be down 7K at least. So Massimo, how many coins are you holding, Massimo? How many coins are you holding? And is that all the money that you have to invest? So DJ Pooh asked me, what is my next support? My next support, my next one, I'm looking at 4,400. And then I think it will go lower than that. I think it could actually go to 3,000. And if you haven't been following my stream, it's because of these 5 reasons right here. And these 2 are the main reasons right here. And you have to understand that we have a lot of bad altcoins, right? And a lot of scams are basically going on behind the scenes. So in order to get rid of those guys, those scams, those coins, we have to continue to go lower. Because if we don't continue to go lower, these guys will survive. So those are my first 2 stops right there. So let's go back to the chat room. And again, Killswitch, again, thank you for your support. Thank you for buying the course. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I'm glad that you have an open mind. All you have to do right now is to study Killswitch. Okay, I'm reading these comments right now. Trevor says, if I get rich, the first thing I'm doing is moving my parents and my brother to the beach. Hey, man. I don't blame you. It was going on, Mr. Sandy. What's good? Okay, no problem, Annette. So Red Gravity said, "Can I pay with crypto?" Yeah, Red Gravity, email me. And once you email me, I will give you instructions. So Red Gravity, I just put my email. I'm going to put my email address right now. So Red Gravity, I just put my email address in the chat room. So email me if you want to do that with the crypto. So Dom said, Ben, I get paid this month. I will get your course. Hopefully it will still be on a discount. Yeah, if you catch me live. Catch me live, man. Because people think I'm joking. As soon as the live goes off, an hour, I turn it right back on. And then, you know, you have to pay the regular price. Let me see. Let me read the comments real quick. Yeah, you're welcome, Kill Switch. You're welcome. So Massimo says, I may be able to spare another 200 at this time. Okay, so Massimo, you said you'll lose 7K. So if you're losing 7K, are you going to be left with anything? Are you going to be, Massimo, are you going to be left with anything if you sell? Hall said, thanks for the tip to use Bitcoin to fund my account. No problem, Hall. Leslie said, yeah, I feel you. I'm buying a beach home when I get rich. Yeah, man, by the beach all day. Moex says, I do the same. I watch the course on my downtime over and over and over again. See, that's what I'm talking about. And that's why Moex is up today 10%, because he watched the course over and over and over again. He's dedicated. And we talked about this before. We talked about this yesterday. The 5 signs of a rookie investor. Number 4, a rookie investor doesn't study. He don't study, right? So, if how do you expect to actually make money if you don't study your industry? If you don't know nothing about the charts, if you can't even tell that we are in a bear market, I mean, how do you expect to make money? You have to master your craft. Take this serious. This is a business. This is not entertainment. You know, this is not something that you watch on MTV or anything like that. This is a business. You have to treat it like that. So you have to learn your business so you can actually make money. So Massimo, if you sell right now, you will have 1 Bitcoin. You will have 1 Bitcoin left. That's what you're saying, Massimo? So Trevor says, when do you trade? Do you use BTC pairs, ETH pairs, or what? I use the USDs. I use USD, but you can use anything. You don't have to use the USD. BTC USD. but I can trade Litecoin, Ethereum. Doesn't matter. Let's look at XRP real quick. Because, you know, a lot of people are bullish about XRP. And I like XRP. It's just, you know, we are in a bear market. And most likely, if you notice that we broke out of this. So I'm gonna tell you something, guys, on with XRP. And for guys that's holding XRP, you probably don't want to hear this. And guys, you have to understand that I'm holding crypto too. So when I'm talking about this bear market, I'm not a bear. I'm not, you know, against crypto. I'm holding crypto too. So but I am a professional. So when there's money to be made, guess what? I'm definitely going to make that money. But with XRP, guys, it's a strong possibility that we will go right back to this breakout right here. So don't be surprised if it goes around 38, 39, or 30 cents. Don't be surprised if it goes right back to this breakout. Now let's go to BTC. Right, I want to show you something that we was talking about yesterday. But let's go to the comments first. So Dom says, good night. Good night, man. How you doing? I mean, take care. See you tomorrow or whenever. So Massimo says, yes, he believes he's had 1 Bitcoin. Oh, I will come back to you, Massimo. Because if you have 1 Bitcoin, you know, if you have 1 Bitcoin, like I said, I'm not giving you financial advice. This is entertainment only. But you know what I'm saying? You don't, if you don't want to sell all of it, you don't have to sell all of it, Massimo. You can sell maybe half of it and start using that half to make some money. But like I said before, I'm not giving you financial advice. This is entertainment only. That's something that you have to decide, you know, if you really want to do that. You don't have to sell everything. Okay, so 45 says, don't fall in love with them coins. They ain't faithful. Exactly. Exactly, 45. And actually, I'm going to get to that. Matter of fact, he's right, you know, because I had, you know, when I first got into the market, it was the penny stocks. So I remember when my first stock that I bought, first penny stock, I fell in love with that stock, man. It was my baby. And guess what? I lost pretty much all my money with that stock. So that's when I said, you know what? Enough is enough. I can't fall in love with any stock or any coin. I have to treat this like a business, and that's it. No emotions. Treat it like a business. So I'm here to make profits. And I hear a lot of people say, oh, you don't believe in the technology. You don't believe in cryptocurrency. It's not about that. It's not about that. You know why? Because the same people that's saying that, you know, is the same people talking about, oh, I can't wait to get my Lambo. So we all are here for the money, right? So when Bitcoin goes up or when the market turns bullish, everybody's making money, and we are here for the money. At the same time, we love crypto. We love the ideas. We love the concept. Of course, we love the concept. Of course, we love the technology. But at the same time, we are here for the money. So I don't want to hear nobody said they're not here for the money. That's BS. So if you are here for the money, then you have to understand that once you invest and put your money into something, then it's a different ball game. Because once you invest, then it's a business now. It's not no more, you know, playing around. This is not PlayStation or Xbox. This is, investing. So once you invest, you have to treat it like a business. You have to know the ins and outs. You have to understand your industry. You have to understand what makes a person a professional investor. So you have to study, master your craft. And like I think it was 45. 45 said, what is it? Yeah, don't fall in love. He's right. Because right now, think about it. For right now, right, for the people that's holding Bitcoin, and it's going down, and they losing money, and you in love with Bitcoin, right? Do you think the people that controlling the Bitcoin, you think they're gonna come to your door and knock on your door and say, hey man, I know that you are losing money. Here's half the money that you lost. No. For the people that love XRP, and you're losing money on this, is the owner from XRP, is he going to come to your door and knock on your door and say, man, I know you're losing money, I know you believe in this coin, here's half of your money that you lost so far? No, they don't care about that. So if these coins, like 45 said, if they don't love you back, why do you treat them like gold? So you have to understand how to separate your emotions and treat this like a business. Because when you lose money on these coins, they're not going to help you get your money back. So 45 is right. They don't love you back. So treat it like a business. Take profits. Learn how the market works. Learn how to read the trend. Learn how to understand we are in the bear market. Learn how to make money in the bear market. This is what you do as a professional investor. That's if you want to be a professional investor. If you just want to be a guy that's, that a guy that just say I just got crypto, then hey, then you probably just don't want to make money. But if you want to be a professional, then you have to learn about the market. So let's go back to the comments. Moex says your breakdown on chart reading is eye-opening. Patterns are consistent, repeating. Exactly, Moex. Moex. That's why I like Moex. He understand. People that don't understand technical analysis, they talk trash. But you have to understand these patterns repeat themselves over and over and over again. So let's go to Bitcoin real quick. I'm going to show you something. Trying to figure out which one I had yesterday. Okay, it was this one. All right, let's go to the chat room real quick. So PP said, what's your opinion on Ethereum Classic? Nothing. Actually, let's look at it real quick. So Ethereum Classic is I mean, we had one spike, and then after that, if you notice, the market never went past that bar. We'll see if it will go past the bar. But I don't have no opinion on Ethereum Classic. because I believe it will follow the main trend, and basically right now the market is going down, so I believe it will go down too. We'll see if the market sell off today. I mean this weekend. So Bigger, you said good run right now on BTC 15-minute. It's not a run, and you can't really tell things on the 15-minute. That's not a run. That's just a slight pullback. You can't call this a run. I mean, even though it's a nice little buy, that's not a run. So if you notice, the sellers are still in control. And even if Bitcoin goes up, we have resistance right here. So we'll see how it tests. If it tests this resistance. So Trevor said in cash. I don't know about that. Okay, so guys, yesterday I was talking about. Let's go to the hourly chart, and I was talking about this pullback. And remember that I said that the market loves to go back to the pullback and find resistance here. So as soon as the market hit this pullback right here, we started to sell off today. So let's see if this zone right here will actually be resistance, and the market, let's see if the market actually will continue to go down. So yesterday I was telling you guys the price was around here. I was telling you guys, don't be surprised if Bitcoin find resistance right here. And then sure enough, we start selling off today. So we'll see if we will continue to sell down to the low. So if you are just joining my chat, definitely take advantage of this discount. There's a new course right now, brand new course, came out like 2 weeks ago. Only course on the market that's showing you how to make money when the market's going up and down. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. My students are making money so far. I just made 15K. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage of that. I just put the link in the description. So Ashley, what's going on, Ashley? So Ashley, I keep losing money trying to trade Bitcoin. Ashley, are you what time frame are you trading, Ashley? What time frame are you trading, Ashley? So DJ Pooh asked me, which coin do I think will do better in a bull market? ETH or Bitcoin Cash? I don't know, DJ Pooh, because I'm not thinking about a bull market right now. DJ Pooh, how come you thinking about bulls right now? How come you just can't have an open mind and realize that it's not all about buying? Your new question should be, Ben, how can I make money now? That's your new question. Because buying right now, to me, doesn't make no sense, because every time we try to go up, we just keep going down. We tried to go up right here. We didn't even hit 12,000. We hit 11,000. We went down. We tried to hit 10,000. We couldn't hit that. we went down. They call this a triple bottom, and they got wiped out. They calling this a triple bottom, and they might get wiped out. So how many times do we have to say the market is going to reverse, you know, before you realize, man, I don't think this thing is going to reverse anytime soon. I'm confused on the terms. Can you explain day trades, swing trades? So bigger. In my course, I teach swing trades. So swing trades is basically you hold it maybe for 2 days, 3 days, all the way to a week or two. Day trading is when you basically in and out during the day. So Ashley, you day trade in the 1 hour chart. Are you trying to sell it, Ashley, or are you trying to buy it? Ashley, are you trying to buy Bitcoin? When you trade in Bitcoin, are you buying it, Ashley? So DJ Pool, you said you're making money. You said you've been out 71. So what price did you buy Bitcoin at, DJ Pool? So Ashley, you're trying to sell? Morik says, accept the facts that this is a bear market and learn how to profit from it. Exactly. So bigger. What price did you buy Bitcoin? So Ashley, you trying to sell or and buy the 1 hour chart? Okay, so Ashley, you said yes. I was trying to. I have a small account. I can't use a large stop. Well, it doesn't matter if you can use a large stop or not. It depends on how you read in the market. You might not read it. You might not be reading the market right. Did you try to, Ashley? Did you try to sell today? The 4 hour on my swing trades. Let me see. So yeah, bigger. What price did you buy at? So bigger. You are confusing me. You said you sold your Bitcoin at. No, I'm sorry, DJ Pool. I'm sorry. I'm getting you guys. So average. You said you have been buying since February. So you've been buying since February. So DJ Pool, are you talking about February this year or last year, DJ Pool? Because if you bought February this year, you losing money. So Ashley, you say you just shorted just right now. So let's go to the 1 hour. Ashley says she just shorted right now. Okay. So you just shorted right now and you just lost money. So basically, Ashley, in my opinion, you are reading the market wrong. Your short should have been around here somewhere. not down here. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. Entertainment only. So DJ Pooh, did you buy this February or last year February? Exactly, 45. He said once again, you have to reprogram your brain to make money in a bear market. It seems people are stuck in a bull market mentality. Exactly. That's why they keep on asking me about buying. And I'm telling you guys, like, you can make money now. Like, why you keep on, you can make money now. So you rather wait to make money? That's what you're trying to say? You rather wait until you make money, or do you want to make money now? Does that sound like a person that's brainwashed? He sees the market goes down. He knows that other people are making money, but at the same time, he's thinking, when can I buy? And the real question should be, how can I make money now? So let's go back to the chat. Ben, I think a lot of us are confusing day and swing. No, I don't think a lot of us confusing day with swing. Day trading is what it sounds like. Day in a day. Swing is just a little bit longer. You can probably hold for a day or two. Actually, you shorted at a lower price. So somebody asked me about TRX. TRX is going down with the market. TRX look weak, and it looks like it's going down with the market. We'll see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going on this weekend. Are we going to have another red weekend? We'll see. And even if we pull back, we have resistance right here at at this line. Do I think it would go there? I don't think so. But even if it goes up, we have resistance, because we have this swing right here that can actually form resistance right here, and we have this trend line, so it could be it's a lot of resistance right here. So we'll see, but for the most part, it looks bearish. But I know a lot of people trying to buy this buy right here because they think this is triple bottom. So you have been you said your entries are horrible. You've been having an issue with that a year. That's why it's very good to invest in education, because it will save you time. Because when I started, I was I didn't really look into any education, and later in my career, then I started actually learning about how to how the market works, and I started to invest in my education. because when you don't invest in your education, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? Basically, you're trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work. That's why it takes so long. And once you can actually, learn from somebody that's doing it, you can actually speed up the process. So I'm about to get off this stream. I might stream tomorrow, guys. I don't know what time though. And then so I don't know what you guys doing tomorrow, but I'm about to get off this stream. For you guys that don't know about this discount, definitely take advantage of this, because it will show you how what pattern I use. I basically made 15 grand when the market basically was going down right here, and this course will show you all the patterns. I use the same patterns in this course right here. It will show you exactly what to do step by step. So take advantage of this discount that's on a live stream only. It's going to go right back up to original price. I'm about to get out of here, guys. I'm pretty tired. It's 10 o'clock. Gotta get ready for tomorrow. Hang out with my daughter on the weekend. Oh, what's going on, Keith? Man, Keith, you late. So Keith, Keith, you just came off of work? Keith says, this course is amazing. Get it, guys. Thanks a lot, Keith. Thanks a lot, man. Actually, let me copy and paste the link for the people who don't have the course. Keith is a person that got the course, so he knows what he's talking about. Like I said, I'd rather people talk about the course than me. Keith is a person that just got the course. So I'll just put the link in the description. So you said you moving again? Okay. Keith said he's in demo right now, in demo trade, and it works exactly like you said. You see? So Keith is a guy that's bought my course, just like MoX. They both making money, and they following things step by step. Beamer Bro says, thanks for the live stream, bro. Honestly, it's much appreciated. Thank you, Beamer. Thank you for attending and coming in, spending time with us. He said, I will be picking up your course soon. No problem, man. Gauntlet said, yo, Gauntlet said, he said, damn, man. You still giving the course away for 110? Gauntlet wants me to raise his price to for $400. And I thought about raising the price, but right now I just want to give people a chance to to learn something, because I know if I get 400, a lot of people won't be able to afford it. So right now I'm suffering because the price is low, but I'm trying to let people let people understand that there's money out here. So Keith said, your courses teach you have to have the right mindset, which just as important as making money. Exactly. Just like 45 said, I believe. It was 45 or MoX said you have to reprogram your brain. So just like Keith said you have to have the right mindset, and that's just as important as making money. Because if your belief system is wrong, how can you make money? How can you actually make, if you have been brainwashed all your life, how can you can actually make money with the same information that you have right now? It's impossible. That's why most people are calling every little green bar a bottom, because they've been brainwashed to think one way. They said this is the bottom, this is the bottom, this is the bottom. Now they calling this a bottom. How many times you gonna lose money? Exactly. Exactly. Gauntlet, I feel you. You changed my life. See, Gauntlet is a person that just bought. He bought my course, I believe, last week, and he said I changed my life. I mean, I changed his life. So, Gauntlet, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by, Gauntlet. Gauntlet, what happened to you, man? Why you came coming so late to the stream? Gauntlet, why you late? Why are you late to the stream? You was working? Exactly, Moex. People don't understand what shorting is. Exactly. That's the problem. Mr. Hall said, glad to be in this with you. Thank you for your leadership. Thanks for joining me, Mr. Hall. So you was driving? Oh, you was driving back home? Okay, you was coming from work. No problem. Because I'm about to get out off this thing. Massimo, did you get the course yet, Massimo? I thought you got the course already, Massimo. So guys, let's see if they start selling off this weekend. I'm definitely gonna keep you guys. So if you bought it 2 days ago, Massimo, that means that you should know about shorting. So we definitely want to see if they're gonna sell this weekend. We'll see. We'll see if they're gonna try to trap more people, because they love to trap people. They're trying to act like the market is going up and then start selling off again. So we'll see. Keith said 10 years of experience in the course cuts our time way down. Exactly. Thanks for making the course. Thank you, Keith, for supporting the channel. Exactly. 45 says it takes a minute to understand shorting because our brains is stuck on buy. Exactly. Buy low, sell high. Exactly. Moex said happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Exactly. Most likely I won't be on here Sunday, so happy Father's Day to everybody. I'm definitely going to try to make something tomorrow. So guys, if you are available tomorrow, I might do a stream tomorrow, but I don't know what time. I don't know what time yet. So Vexter just said I just bought it too. Thanks a lot, Vexter. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it, man. Guys, let's get this money. Let me hit that let me hit that cha-ching button. Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread, man. Yeah! Let's get this money. So a lot of people are depressed right now, but over here we making money. Okay, so yes, guys, happy Father's Day. But I'll definitely be on here tomorrow, but I don't know what time. So I'm gonna say happy Father's Day tomorrow. But guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for coming in. Keith, thank you for coming in. I know you was a little bit late, but hopefully you can catch me tomorrow. I know you said you was moving. Hopefully you can catch me tomorrow, Keith. Gauntlet, hopefully you can catch me tomorrow too. Gauntlet says, I like those sound effects. Yeah, man. All day. Ching ching, let's get this money. So good night, everyone. Thank you for your time. If you missed the live stream, you can definitely watch it. And for the people that don't have my course, I'm just gonna put the link in the description, in the not in the chat box. So the link is in the chat box. Yeah, no problem, Keith. I know you moving, so no problem. So so let's get this money, and I'll talk to you guys later. Keep you guys updated. Make sure you have a good night. Study, because that's the only way you're gonna make money. If you master your craft, that's it. Master your craft. So talk to you guys later. Have a great day, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated tomorrow. All right. So talk to you guys later, man.